In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Udemy courses. If you bought a course and it didn't meet your expectations, the process is straightforward as long as you follow Udemy's policy and use the right place to request it. First, a quick overview of the refund policy. Most paid Udemy courses are eligible for a refund within 30 days of purchase, as long as your request follows Udemy's guidelines. That means the refund needs to be requested within the window and in line with their terms. Not every purchase can go back to your original payment method, though. If you paid through an app store, like Apple's App Store or Google Play, refunds are often issued as Udemy credits. Those credits sit in your Udemy account and can be used to enroll in other courses. Also, if you bought a bundle or purchased a course from a third-party vendor, that vendor may need to handle the refund through their own process. Keep that in mind before you start. Now let's walk through the steps. Head to udemy.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, click your profile photo in the top right corner and open Purchase History. This page lists all the courses you've bought. Find the course you want a refund for and look right below the course title for a button that says Request Refund. Click that to open the refund form. You'll be asked how you want to be refunded. If your purchase qualifies, you can choose your original payment method. This option sends the money back to the card or service you used at checkout, though it may take a few business days to show up, depending on your bank or provider. You can also choose Udemy credits, which are often applied faster and are handy if you plan to take a different course. Next, select a reason for the refund and add a brief description. Be clear and concise. For example, you might mention that the course content didn't match the description, that the material felt outdated, or that the teaching style wasn't a good fit. The goal is to help Udemy understand your experience so they can process the request smoothly. When everything looks good, click Submit. That's it. You'll typically see a confirmation that your request was sent, and if it's approved, the refund will be processed using the method you selected. Remember, timing can vary, especially for card refunds, while credits can appear sooner. Staying within the 30-day window and using purchase history ensures the process is quick and hassle-free.